What drew me to the Landmark first was that they had a good reputation. I knew that they made good homes, but I wasn't sure of the quality until we actually got into the process. And I was very pleased with the process and with the quality that they provide. My favorite feature of my new Landmark home is my floors. I love my floors. They don't show dirt. They're easy, they're warm to your feet, and they're just beautiful. Favorite part of the custom building process was it was hassle-free. I had a supervisor, it was wonderful, and he dealt with the contractors, and they allowed me to come in and sweep, which kept the house clean, and all of the contractors honored that, and they kept their messes picked up too. But so I would believe that for me, the best part of the process was that I didn't have to deal with any of the hassles. I had a wonderful supervisor that took care of it. I didn't shop around for other builders because I already knew that Landmark was a great builder with good quality, and I trusted them, so I didn't want to waste my time looking for other builders when I'd already found the perfect one. So what I tell my friends about Landmark is basically just the truth. They're a great builder, they have great quality, they use good contractors that's been with them for years that do a good job, and they're a custom builder. So you can use your plan, you can use their plans, you can customize their plans, you can combine their plans, or you can deviate from them. And that's what we did, and we are so pleased with it. So that I would advise anyone to go with Landmark. So all in all, the process with Landmark was really seamless. I was so grateful that they were willing and not restricted into building just into their communities, but they were willing to build on the land that we had. And that makes a big difference to me, because if we ever built another house again, it'd be with Landmark.